Good morning, class. Let's continue with the topic multiplication of fractions. Before going ahead, we'll firstly talk about some of the important points about fraction. The first point is about the types of fractions. Okay, so basically three types of fractions. So let us know this in detail.
Proper fractions are those fractions which are part of a whole. That means always the denominator is greater than the numerator. Okay, so 3 by 2 is not a proper fraction, right? This is not a proper fraction. And 5 by 3 is not a proper fraction. While in the case of 3 by 4, this is a proper fraction, right? This is a proper fraction, this is a proper fraction, while these two are not proper fractions. Okay, now we'll talk about improper fractions. So those fractions in which the denominator is lesser than the numerator, in that case it is a improper fraction. For example, we take 5 by 3 or 7 by 6 or 3 by 2. So all these are improper fractions because the numerator is greater than the denominator. While on the other side, in proper fractions, the numerator is always less than the denominator, like 1 by 2, 3 by 4. Now talking about mixed fractions, the fractions which have a whole number and a fraction. For example, we express the number as 3 2 by 5. This is a mixed fraction. Or 5 1 by 2. Or 11 4 by 9. So all these are mixed fractions. Okay.
Now the next point is about multiplication of fractions, which states that whenever we multiply two proper fractions, then the answer will be equal to the multiplication of numerator divided by the multiplication of the denominator.
So for example, if we take 2 by 3 is the first fraction and the second fraction is 3 by 5. The answer will be equal to 2 into 3 divided by 3 into 5, and we simplify it by cancelling, and the answer will be equal to 2 by 5.
The third point says fraction acts as an operator of.
For example, we have a statement like this: half of 12. This means half into 12, and 12 divided by 2, and the answer is 6. Okay, so whenever there is a statement where there is a of, it actually means multiplication.